Now, this is a laser gun. I've been making this for years, and it's always popular, and it's fairly quick and easy. Before I do that, let me show you what I've got. I've got two 60s, and I'll get two contrasting colors, and they're both blown up to about the same with about a 3 or 4 inch tail uninflated on the end. And I'll start by taking the two nozzles, and I'll tie them together. Just like that, and just trim this excess off. And it really doesn't matter which one, but take one of them, make about a 4 or 5 inch bubble, make a small bubble, make a pinch twist. And then I'm going to switch to the other one, and where they're tied together, I'm going to make a pinch twist. And then I'm going to take on one of them, again, it doesn't really matter, it's your preference, to make about a 5 or 6 inch bubble. And then I'm going to make a fold twist. And this fold twist needs to be large enough that you can take the other 260 and insert it easily through there. So, make a fold twist. Then you're going to make a little small bubble, just a spacer. Make another fold twist about the same size. One more little small spacer bubble. And then after that one, I'm going to put a pinch twist. So you should have your first long bubble, a fold twist, a small spacer, a fold twist, a small spacer, and then a pinch twist. And I'm going to squeeze the air out almost at the end of this one. Make one more fold twist about the same size as the first two. And you should have a little bit of excess hanging down there. Now we're going to switch back to our other balloon. And I'm going to take the end and I'm going to feed it through the 3 fold twists. Just like that. Do that one. You want to go through all 3. And then to your third one. Just like that. And that pinch twist goes right there on the front. And it basically forces that to hold down. That's what they'll hang on to in a minute. And then we're going to take and we're going to pull this almost all the way up through there. Because I want to work out past it some. Well, in a minute I'm going to take and pull this back to create the stock here, this part here. But I want to have some space to work, so I'm going to come out on the other side here about 3 or 4 inches out past the 3 fold twists. Then I'm going to make about a 3 inch bubble, followed by a pinch twist. And then I'm going to come back and make another bubble the same size as this one here. Just those two together. A third bubble the same size, and then wrap it around that pinch twist. And here you've got a couple of options. If you want just this to stick out, you put a second pinch twist there. And that'll force the barrel to stick forward. But what I like to do now, and this is where I've modified it, I'll take and squeeze the air out to the end, and I'm going to make one more fold twist up here so that I've still got about 3 or 4, maybe 5 inches left sticking out of the end. And by leaving just one pinch twist there, now what happens is that forces that fold twist to hang down. This is your barrel sticking out. Now we're going to take and straighten it up and come back to the back here and just pull this back up until it pulls that bird body that we created, that 3 bubble roll through, until it pulls back up snug against that. And now you've got a handle to hang on to here and one there, and there's your laser gun.